Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to share Wi-Fi over Ethernet on Mac. So if you have a device that only support a wired internet connection, then your Mac can share its Wi-Fi connection through an Ethernet adapter. And to do this, first click on Apple logo at top left corner of the screen. After that, click on System Settings option. Now on the Settings application, make sure you are in General tab and then in the right side panel, scroll down and click on Sharing option. Here, click on this I button right to internet sharing and then click on the drop down menu right to share your connection from, and within this section choose Wi-Fi. Now under to device using, enable your Ethernet adapter, then turn on internet sharing. Now click on done option and your Mac will now share its Wi-Fi connection through the selected Ethernet adapter that will allow connected device to access the internet using your Mac's network connection. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.